Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have a Natalie Attired classic collection to share with you. Now that's their box where you pay $20 for your styling fee and they send you 5 pieces of clothing. You keep what you want, you send back what you don't want. Whatever you keep, you get your $20 credited to that box. So my last Natalie Attired classic collection, actually I just posted my limited collection and it was a great collection. My last classic collection though was such a huge hit. I kept all 5 pieces. This one looks promising too. Let's see what I got. Hang on one second. Okay, so this first dress is so cute. I saw this dress over at Christy's channel, Georgia Sunshine. She got this dress in her, I think it was her classic collection. And I'm like, oh my God, I have to have that dress. And here we are. So that's one of the things that I love about Natalie Attired is that if you request something that you see on somebody else, they will try their absolute best to fulfill that request. Yep, and they did. So I'm a happy camper. I know, I hear some of you saying, Kayla, you don't need any more leopard print, but it's too cute to pass up. All right, this is a Gilli dress. This is the short sleeve animal print dress, $59, 75% polyester, 20% rayon, and 5% spandex. How adorable. I love it. It feels nice. It feels very comfortable, but I could get away with wearing this to work. It feels like a very casual dress, so you could dress it up or dress it down. I like that it has pockets. It has an elastic band right here. It's supposed to go at your waistband. I think it's very flattering. What do you think? I like that it's a lighter colored leopard print. You know, it's not your classic like darker colored leopard print. The neckline is nice. I like the sleeves on this dress. Hits me just right, you know, right below my knee. I'm 5'2", I've said that many times, so if you're a little bit taller, it'll come up a bit more. I think it's adorable. Let me show you the back. So like I said, you could wear it with flat sandals, you could wear it with your wedges, you could really dress this up, or you could wear it more casually. It's so cute. I'm keeping it. This dress is not going back, it's going right into my closet. I know, it's a jungle up there, but that's all right. That's what I like. So if I like it, I'm keeping it. All right, I'll be right back with the next piece. Okay, so this next top is by the brand Whisper. This is the short sleeve floral wrap top. It is $42. Now, I could not find the material listed on the tag. Now, I think it's polyester. We won't say percentages. I'm sure that there's some polyester in here. I just don't know if there's a mix. We'll leave it at that. I think this top is very cute. I love red. You know I like red. I know it's floral print. I have a lot of floral prints, but I love floral print. Makes me happy. Like the leopard print dress. It makes me happy, so that's what I like. I do like the neckline too. It is a wrap style top, but it's stitched here, so you wouldn't have any accidents, you know? All right, I think the sleeves are really cute. They almost have a little bit of like a flutter to them. I really like that look. So it does have an elastic here at the front. It does not have one in the back. The back is a bit longer, which you will see when I turn around. I put it on with just some white shorts because I had them handy, but you could wear it with your white pants. I just got a pair of white pants actually in my limited collection. Really cute. So you could wear it with white pants. You could wear it with your regular denim. I really feel like it would pair with a lot. I love the colors in the floral print too. I really do. This might be a keeper for me too. What do you think? Red's a good color for me. All right, let me show you the back. Yeah, I really like it. So again, this could be a good work top too if I put it on with some, you know, white jeans, or not white jeans, but white pants. Yeah, I think it's cute. All right, I'm gonna change to the next top. Okay, so this next top is by the brand Fashion. They're calling this the short sleeve V-neck wrap tie-dye top. Yeah, I think. And it's $42, 94% polyester, 6% spandex. I think this top is super cute. Clearly it's not a V-neck. I pulled it off the shoulders. I don't know if it's meant to be off the shoulder, but you know, I kind of did my own thing. Sometimes I do that. And I think it looks cute off the shoulders, but it won't stay. Nope, it's not gonna stay. I don't wanna move too much because I want it to stay where it is right now, but it won't stay. I like the length of this top, and I think the pattern, oh, it's got some tie sleeves. So it is more of like, almost like a 3/4 length sleeve if you put the shoulders down. I'll put them up so you could see. But I definitely would prefer this off the shoulder, but it doesn't stay. That's the only thing. I kept my white shorts on. I think it's super cute with the white shorts with some wedge sandals. Look at the pretty pattern. I really want you to see the pattern. I think it's really unique. It's the light pink with white, but it's kind of got a little bit of you got a floral, I guess. What do you think? But not completely floral. That doesn't make sense, does it? We're gonna go with it. I think it's a cute top. I really do. I just don't know. Let me show you the back and then I'll pull the sleeves up. So hang on. Okay, let me show you how it's supposed to look. I'll pull my bra straps up with it. So this is how it would be. Definitely not a V-neck still. What do you think about this neckline? I don't know. Because it's elastic, I always feel like it looks like it's pulling. You know what I mean? I definitely like it off the shoulders. Maybe that was a typo in the name of the top. You know, it could be. Let me know what you think. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna show you the next top. Okay, so it's the next day for you. Obviously, it's the same day for you. We had bad thunderstorms last night during, you know, the time I was filming, so I just had to stop because it was getting too dark. So anyway, so this next top is by Bluebell. It's the elbow sleeve V-neck tie waist top. It's $42. It's 97% polyester and 3% spandex. I have to hold it. I know, I can't let go. I'm so sorry. It's very low cut and there's no modesty snap. I was so hopeful for this top to work. Might be a little bit too busy. It does have a V-neck, a deep V-neck. It's a wrap style. Look how pretty the pattern is though. Isn't it so gorgeous? I love the teal aqua green color in the background. Well, I think they called it aqua, right? It has the floral print too. Might be a little bit busy, but I don't know. I think it's kind of fun. I can't pull off the arms. I wish the arms were just kind of a straight cut because, you know, I kind of look like a football player when I have these puffy arms, don't I? A cute one though, right? It does have a tie waist here. I have it on with my white pants today. These are actually my Natalie Attired pants. These are from my Natalie Attired pants. These are from my limited collection, I should say, my most recent one. I like the top. I just wish the sleeves were different. And, you know, I can't let it go because it's just too low cut. I guess I could put a modesty snap here myself, but I just don't know about the sleeves for me, you know? I don't think I can pull the puffy sleeves off, but they look cute with white pants. Let me show you the back. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna have to send this one back. Did I tell you it has a tie here at the waist? I'm focused on holding my top closed. All right, let me change. I think I have to watch back. I think I was able to tape 3 things before the storms yesterday, so I think I have one more thing to show you, so hang on. Okay, so this top is by the brand Bluebell as well. This is the short sleeve Flutter sleeve top. It's $48. It's 100% polyester. I think it's an extra large. Have I been telling you the sizes? I don't know if I have. If you have a question, I'll try to remember to leave them below when I list the names of the tops and the dress and the prices, okay? I like this top. I think it's really cute. I know some of you don't like 100% polyester tops, but I've said this before. I'll say it again. I don't mind them, especially for the office, because sometimes it can get chilly in the office. So I think it's, look at the color's gorgeous. I love this color. I really do. And how fun are the sleeves? I love the Flutter sleeve look. Don't you think it's cute? And how fun would it be? For the life of me, you know, this is the second time I'm saying this. Something went missing and I don't know where it went. I have this really pretty necklace. It's very colorful. It's a statement necklace. And I'm like, oh, it looks so cute with this blue top. I can't find it. I have one jewelry box. It's not there. I'm a very organized person too. You have to believe me. I don't know where it went. But anyway, this would look really pretty with a statement necklace if I can find it. I'm sure I'll find another to go with it, or even a longer, you know, style necklace. I think it would look really pretty. I like the length of this top. I think it fits nice. It doesn't actually feel like, you know, one of those thick polyesters. It doesn't feel like that to me. I think it's really pretty. I think it looks nice with the white pants. I think it'll look nice with blue denim. You could wear it with black pants. Let's see the back of it. So yeah, I think I'm keeping this one. I just love the color. I think the color is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, these darn hanger tags. This is getting cut off like right now because I know I'm keeping it. All right, I'll be right back and we'll do a quick recap. Okay, so I have 3 keepers in this box, which is really exciting because with Natalie Attired, you get a discount for keeping 3 or 4 pieces. You get 20% off, and if you keep all 5, you get 30% off, which is nice. So I'm keeping this top, and I want to show you. You know, I've been wearing my hair up in my videos in a bun, and it's easier for me to show you the pieces. It's easier for you guys to see the back. I got to remember to throw my hair up. I got home from work and I wanted to tape this before it got too dark out. I think we're expecting storms again. So I'm like, oh, I gotta tape the final portion of it. So I wanna show you. It has a keyhole in the back. Isn't that cute? I like that detail. I love the color of this top. This is gonna be a good work top, so I am keeping this. I love this color. I am gonna keep this red floral top as well. I thought it was really cute. I like the style of it. Yeah, and I need some more red in my wardrobe. You all know. Did you even question it? This is staying with me. I actually am gonna go pick up dinner in a few minutes. And so I'm probably gonna throw this on with some nice flat sandals, go pick up dinner, and I'll be looking really cute with my face mask. Maybe I'll wear my leopard print face masks. You know I have one of those, don't you? All right, so these are my 3 keepers. So I was very happy with this collection. I thought it was a great collection. I really did. I'm having fun with it. You know, Natalie Attired has some unique pieces, and that's why I really love their boxes, because I find pieces in here that I wouldn't find in my other boxes. So, all right, thanks so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all doing well, and I will see you in my next video.